Part 3 of DIY hacks you need to try.
If you've got a dark stairwell like me, or you just want to make your stairs look a lot cooler and fancier and posher, you should buy these little lights from Amazon. They're about £10 for a packet of 6, and they're motion censored, battery powered and stick on. What more could you ask for? So basically I just stuck them to the skirting boards next to my steps to help illuminate the steps and prevent me falling down the stairs in the middle of the night. And also, it looks really cool because they're motion censored. It's like I'm on a red carpet. I think we can all agree that one of the worst jobs in DIY is cleaning out paint trays. So what I do is use a bin bag and I just put the tray inside and then pour the paint on top. Use it, it works totally fine. No difference. And then when I'm done, I just fold the paint bag in on itself like a dog poo bag and put it in the bin. And I don't have to do any messy cleaning up. When I was 5 years old, my brother hit my finger with a hammer and it had to be sewn back on. So obviously now I don't really like hammers. So this is my genius way of how to put nails in the walls without using my fingers.
Make sure you're following our page for more on a budget content.